Hello and welcome back again, my friends, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We come back in another video. So, as every time, if you're a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. And today for long-term trading, we're going to make for you some on-chain analysis. So make sure to watch everything. And if you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the description of that video, so go and join us, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, today as you see it, the market staying flat as we accepted yesterday. You remember yesterday, that was me. I told you in yesterday video, I told you the market is going to stay flat because majority of you didn't know that. Saturday market is flat, today Sunday, all the day the market's being flat till the last hours of Sunday. Then you're going to see a big move, guys, remember that. And I showed you yesterday that level where we are here is very stronger. You can go back and watch it. We show it, we tell it to you. We tell you that level here is it between 0.61 and 0.50 of Fibonacci retracement. We don't want to go back there to show you all those things, but that was me. I told you yesterday. I told you at least we need to break above here and to break the last high here for us to know the market is changing from a downtrend to an uptrend. And we show you here, we got here a very clear mega fall like that. We told you even that one you need to be focused about it. If it's breaking down, that means the market is going to fall down. If we're breaking above here, that means the market is going to go higher. And that week or the coming week is going to be a lot of news. So you need to be careful, guys. And in the video of tomorrow, the monthly candle and the weekly candle, they are going to finish. So make sure to watch tomorrow video, because we're going to analyze for you a lot of things. And here, you remember, guys, what else we said here before? We said we got here a flag like that. You remember it or no? People, they've been with us. They remember that flag here very, very, very well. That flag, as we said here. Yes or no? Look at that flag. What happened here? When it's getting broke down here, look what the market done here. It went up and touching here that flag from down. So now if it fall down and breaking the lower here, that meant that last low which is here, the market is going to fall down, guys. Yes or no? But if the market just do like that, what is going to give us? We show you what is going to give us here. It's going to give us here a very clear head and shoulder here. Now what shall we do? May I just give you the two scenarios. For the short, if it gave us here a head and shoulder and came and breaking down here, we are going to enter short, guys, like that. Till where I show you exactly everything before. You just go to the chart of your broker, no matter which broker you're using, you put like that, two moving averages, the simple one, not exponential one. Remember that, the simple one. Us, when it touch here, people they begin with us, when we touch here the 50 moving average, we buy some Bitcoin. Yes or no? What me I told you before, we buy only 20% from our capital when we touch the 50 moving average. But if that one came down and breaking down, is going to go till it will touch here the 200 moving average, guys. When we touch the 200 moving average, what we need to do? We buy 50% from what it left. If it fall down here, and it's going to fall down to touch it here before it's going to continue upward. Why I show you all that? You can go back and watch all those past videos, because now we don't need to make that video too long, guys. Everything is too clear. So now we got two scenarios. Either we're going to break above here and we're going to continue upward. If we break above here, that 50% we are going to buy from here, we buy it from here. That's it. If it fall down here and break a lower here, we are not going to buy. We're going to wait it to buy from the 200 moving average, the simple one. Remember that. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into analyze for you the on-chain data we got today. So let's go in there. So the first one, that one I explained it before, but it's okay to repeat it because that one me I follow it a lot. That NVRVZ core. That's the name of it. That one is very simple. It's like a oscillator. It's got here down the oversold area and here in the top the overbought area. Forget about the black one, I'm talking just about that orange one here. So when you touch in here, the oversold area is highly chance you are in the bottom. But it's not only that one. You need to focus on even about that one, because that one here, that black one and that blue one. The black one is the chart of the Bitcoin, and that blue one is like a moving average or a VWAP, a lot of things. I don't want to go back there because there's a lot of calculation. If you want, you can go and search for it and make calculation about it. As you see it here, let me zoom it a little bit here to explain those things I'm talking about. Look with me here, guys. Look with me here in that level where we are. The chart of the Bitcoin, it needs to be broken down. That blue one, that means it needs to be broken down. And that one we got the overbought and oversold area, it needs to be at the oversold area. That's a highly chance you are in the bottom. And that's where we be in here. We be in here at the bottom of the Bitcoin, at that 15K. And if you go back to the history, it's the same thing always repeating. As you see it here, same thing here, same thing, and here even that correction will happen here. It's been the same thing, and now also we are in the same thing here. That will give us we are in a high chance of the bottom. That way me I told you guys, just they say that for long term, or you waiting any correction, then you buy more. That's the first one. Second one, let's go there. Second one is that one. Even that one is similar to NVRVZ, but that one is give you here a color, because that one is release cap. This is market cap. As you see it, the release cap when it's green here, and the market cap is the red one here. As you see it, same thing, same concept here. When that one cross below, it's highly chance you are in the bottom. And as you see it, we've been in the bottom. When we reach to that 15K, guys, you remember it, that time here, that's where we've been in the bottom here. Even that one is telling us we've been in the bottom, and when we touch that 15K, yes, it's going to come another correction, but you need to, from that correction, try to buy a little bit. The third one, let's see it together. Even that one is the same concept. As you see it, every time when you touch in here is the bottom, but that one it doesn't give you any color. But it's the same like that NVRVZ score is the same. So I think picture is too clear. All those ones, they telling you the bottom. The only thing, that one long-term holder release price, even that one is an on-chain analysis tool. So I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. By the way, you. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash that like button? You don't. Why? Pause that video now, please. Pause the video now. Smash that like button. It's only a small thumbs up. Click at it. You done it. And please write with it a comment. Tell us your thought. What you thinking about Bitcoin, where we are going. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. So guys, here we are here in the 4 hours. We said a lot of things here about the 4 hours. We said we got here a cup and handle like that. Very clear cup and handle here. We couldn't break the neckline because the neckline is here, as you see it. We couldn't break it, as you see. We staying here sideways in that level here. Another thing we got here. Now we got here a head and shoulder here. Very clear head and shoulder. Look at it. How is it? That for the long. For the short, I show you what we got. I told you for the short, me I'm focused about that level here down. That one here to be broken. I need the market to come down here to break. And another thing you can make even here. You can draw now like that. And you draw in here like a down channel like that. Even that one you can draw it like that, because the down channel drawing here. If you zoom out like that, let me show it to you. If you see here and you came to those ones here like that, and you're doing like that, you see it or no? You see where I started from that one and that one. You are now here in a down or a downtrend. Let's make it like that. It's getting broke here. Now the market, it went up. Now it go back here, it tested. Now it try to give us another high. Yes or no? But that for the good side. For the bad side, you got here a down channel. You see it or no? That down channel, you touch the top of it here. You touch the lower of it here. Now you touch the top of it here. Now maybe it's going to fall down to touch the lower of it again. Yes or no? Because people they being with us, they remember what? Where us we enter short. Now at that level here, where we are. Here exactly. Should we enter short? Not yet. We don't got any price action here. Try to tell us we need to enter short, guys. The only price action I showed it to you before. I told you try to make here like that. Try to connect in those ones together like that, and you try to draw here like a triangle like that. You see it or no? Even that one you can make it here, but here at that level here we don't got any price action. Maybe we're going to have a price action in the coming days telling us to enter long or to enter short, but here in the 4 hours at this moment we don't got any price action. We need to wait in more, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicators what they're saying here in the 4 hours. Our indicator, you remember what me I told you about it? I told you we got here a divergence like that, and we touch it here. Now we couldn't break it again. Forget about that squeeze. That one is just a fake out breakout there happening there. Here also we staying here at that level, and we are sideways market. The market is very flat. There is no volume, but the good news, I tell it to you in yesterday video, also we are here in the bull control. There is no bears yet. Also we are in an uptrend in the 4 hours. So anyone he tried to tell you to enter short, tell him go tell it to someone else. Don't tell it to me. You are in an uptrend in the 4 hours, guys. Remember that. You are in an uptrend. Everything is too clear, but one thing, I don't tell you you are in an uptrend. I tell you to enter long now. No, the long it was from down here. That when also we enter long. Now there is no long yet. You need to wait on more, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, also we are here at the overbought area. Very clear there. Level, you are in a very stronger level. I showed it to you yesterday here. I told you look at that level here. You are in it again here. Showed you enter short here because our indicator is it here at the overbought area. Level, you are in a very stronger level. Should you enter short? No, there is no entry short. The only time you can enter short if the market give you here a new price action and is getting broke. Yes, also we can enter short, or the market to fall down and to break here at last low here. That one here. If it's getting broke, yes, we can enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry short, guys. We need to wait in more. Also now we are, I've been saying that thousands of times. Also now we are, yes, I'm asking you, write it down where we are. We are in a distribution level, guys. Over here, levels like those ones, the whale, they use it to sell to the dumb money. I've been teaching you that. I told you there is smart money and dumb money. Smart money, those people, they buy from down here. Dumb money, they buy from here. No one buying from the top, guys. It's only the dumb money. Because if the market fall down, you still stuck with the Bitcoin from here. Like now, let's say someone, he buy from 70k. Did he get stuck with his Bitcoin? Yes. Smart money, where they buying from 15k. Same thing here. We don't got anything here telling us to buy. The only thing, if it's breaking here like that, if it's breaking above here, yes, we're going to buy. Even if it's that one here at the overbought area or anything. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, what I told you yesterday. We came here and we drawing like that. And down here, we drawing like that. Yes or no? And I told you we got here a symmetric triangle. Is it in the picture of the thumbnail of the video? Yes or no? What I told you? I told you if it's breaking above, you enter long. If it's breaking down, you enter short. Did it break? No. It doesn't break. No above, no down. We're staying just sideways. When is going to get broke? Today, the last hours of Sunday is going to get broke up or down. Try to enter long or short. If it's getting broke up, enter long. If it's breaking down short, enter short, guys. You stop lose. Don't forget that. Stop lose. You can put it here. You can put it even here. And you can put it even here. That's for the short. For the long, where you can put it. If it's breaking above here, stop loss, you can put it down here, or you can put it even down here, but down is going to be too much. You can put it just here, depending on your money management and the capital you're risking per trade, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, look at it. It's enter here to the oversold area. Should you enter long? Because here, look where you are. If you came like that, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. As you see it, we couldn't break it till now. Should you enter long? No, my friend. The only way you can enter long if it's breaking above here. Yes, you can enter long. Till now, there is no entry long. Actually, if it's breaking down, even if it's that one here, at the oversold area, you need to enter short. Everything is too clear, guys. So, that's it for that video. And please, guys, please don't forget to support us by just smashing that like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.